Hello everybody. Today we got some solving quadratic polynomials techniques for y'all.
Okay, and today we're going to do square root property. Our first equation is 2x squared minus 18, and we're going to solve it like this. We're going to move the 18 into the equal sign, like so. And then after that, we are going to divide this by 2. And that will make this x squared equals 9. And then further on, we're going to put it in a square root sign, like this. And then we're going to equal it out and put the 9 in here in a square root sign. And then after this is solved, it will look like this. X equals plus or minus 3. Oh, damn it.
Yo guys, what is going on? It's your boy Alex Dillon bringing to you some factoring, and today our equation is x squared minus 7x plus 12. So here's what you gotta do. I like to make this x chart right here, and what you do is you take this number and you put it on the top right here, and you take the negative 7x and you put it below. Now what you got to do is you got to find two numbers that add to negative 7x, and the same two numbers have to add or multiply to positive 12. So what adds to negative 7 and multiplies to positive 12? Well, I have the answer for you. That is negative 4 and negative 3. Okay, now what you gotta do is you take these two numbers and you put them in the parentheses x minus 3 and then you make another one, so it's multiplying, x minus 4 parentheses equals 0. You gotta set it equal to 0. And then all you have to do is subtract or add a 3 and add a 4 to both sides, so it would be x equals 3 and x equals 4. Now I'm going to send it on over to Jonathan with some quadratic formula.
Alright, here we are. We got the quadratic formula. Now this probably looks like a freaking pie and looks like a mess, but if you fill everything out correctly, it'll all work out just fine. So what you gotta do, you gotta take each thing and fill it in the quadratic formula. In the polynomial, you got each coefficient represents a letter. So right here, there's an invisible 1, and that is A. And then here, this is B, and then the 6 is a C. So in the equation negative B, it's going to be negative 5. And you're going to do plus or minus the square root of B squared, which will be 5 squared minus 4 A, which is 1, and then C, which is 6. And you put it all over 2A. Or, mess it up here. 2A, which is 1. Once you get everything solved under that radical, it'll end up being -5 plus or minus 1 over 2. So when you that's simplified, it'll either be x equals -3 or x equals -2. And that concludes our lesson on the techniques of solving quadratic equations.